Hello everyone, how is it going? Scramble here from Emotionless Crypto Trading, and today I'm going to walk you through YEARN Finance technical analysis, discussing the prices and possible future predictions that we could throw out depending on the situation of the space. Looking at the entire market cap right now on CoinMarketCap, we're talking about a 351 24 hours billion dollars volume to a market cap which is 334. And this is very interesting. 334 market cap, 351 billion 24 hours volume, which means that we're having a higher 24 hours volume than the market cap. And that is very, very interesting. On the other side of the things, YEARN Finance is sitting on rank number 24 based on the market cap with a 29,967 tokens out there. It is priced at $33,268. Looking into the last 24 hours, we do see a 14% increase in the price, which still keeps the token extremely volatile and hard to be traded, other than more likely on spot trading. On leverage, it's very hard to trade YEARN Finance because the risks involved are not going to make the activity economically beneficial in comparison to other opportunities which are having a better relation of economics. Now, going towards to the chart, which is my main job for today, is we're looking at the YEARN Finance against Tether, which is the USDT, on Binance 30-minute candlesticks, which speaks about short-term details, which means a couple of days per hour data. What I've been laying out is a green line and a couple of blue lines. The blue lines are talking about horizontal structures, which are very meaningful, where we could expect price actions. The green line is representing the uptrending channel we are going through at the moment, which is one of the channels that should support us without any issues, without problems, as it is pretty stable at the moment. So that being said, we're going to talk about each of those. We do have the first line, which has been supporting us quite nicely. The first blue line starting from the bottom, it has been supporting us very nicely. Look at that. A bunch of market movements there that have been tested. This line talks about $29,000 per token, and it is very stable, which means that if we sort of a way break below our green trending line and retouch our 29,000 or 30,000, where we do have the second support right now appearing for the current structure, well, basically that is going to be one of those places where we should expect support going on for YEARN Finance. Now, 29,000 to 30,000 is pretty close to each other. If it's to measure, it is about 4.5%, which means that the ultimate is going to stay at 29,000, but the first signs of support will appear at 30, depending how powerful is going to be the bearish volume. That's exactly how you should add to your spot trading. Never leverage this token because the risks involved, just like I said, are too high. Therefore, the next support which appears, and it's the closest to us, where we do expect movement at the moment, and it also meets with our green support of the trend, is exactly here, guys. Take a look at that. That's the line of 32,500. This 32,500 is basically one of the most important lines looking at the past history movements and measuring the importance and the meaningful participation within the market. It shows us that during the pullback that we're having through in the past couple of hours, we got supported by this line, which means 32,500 is kind of keeping us away from touching 30,000 and breaking below this uptrending growth, which could again throw us into the 40,000 area. The only thing that we have to do is not to give up on this support line of the trend, which is the green one, before we break out of the top of 35, which is located here. Afterwards, we can have a pullback out of the green line, something like that. It wouldn't be a problem, right? So we could basically have a movement here like this, break out of 35, retouch the green line, break below, but then have our 35 supported. Definitely need to get supported, guys. This line right here should no longer go below the 35, something like that, which means that it kind of breaks below our green line, just like you can see, but it's still finding support at 35. 35 is probably the most meaningful price point for the current situation of the market on 30-minute candlesticks. And then from there, you just bounce off again and revisit 36. 36 has two tops here that were very powerful. At the time, the market was on a bullish run, dominating the energy and the space. So that being said, we do have to be careful if we don't have a strong setup to break out of 36, 37. It's actually 37 where we have these two tops. Well, if we don't have a strong setup that has, very close bottoms to it, and it has that, volume to push towards in a 6-7% breakout, then it's going to be very difficult to deal with that. And then of course the 39,000, which is the all-time high position for the current chart we're looking at. Keep in mind that you don't have unlimited possibilities to look back for the 30 minutes. You might have a price of $100,000 or just $1, depends. But the all-time high position you have to consider in this certain situation when you deal with 30 minutes, it is always what you can see on the charts, that you have to put in a correct settings and correct structure in order to have your candlesticks represented well. That's something people learn in my full coaching program. One of the things people learn in my full coaching program, besides on how to trade, which is actually part of how to trade, is, this is the first step you have to do, how to set up your screen, your charts and timings in order to look at the right data. Otherwise, you're not going to look at the right data. And that's a problem. So here we go, guys. For those of you looking to find out how to trade, how to become a professional trader, make sure to watch my video, which explains it all. This is a one-on-one coaching directly with me, and you have all the details represented here, as well as we can have a free conversation where I can explain you how it works if you're serious about it. But just like I said, for all of you participating into this crazy market of decentralized finance products, make sure you make some money there, then go into the traditional market of crypto, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, leverage trading, where you can make tons of money, just like I'm sharing on my main YouTube channel, where I've made 52 grand in 3 hours. I made 23,000 in 30 minutes. I made 17. I do have a lot of the videos here which are basically sharing with people the way I do business. But I'm also explaining that in my video that I'm recording right now at the end. So once we finish with the YEARN finance topic, we dive into the services. I do have coaching one-on-one. I do have services of full trading where I'm handling the entire trading based on commission. And I also have signals, basically. So we have 3 services. Now, you can check out my main channel, which is the link in the description area or comments area. This is it, guys. So that's pretty much all about this video presentation. Make sure to check out till the end to find out more about the services, and I keep in touch with you. Okay everyone, so we have reached to the part of the video where I'm going to share with you my trading results in September 2017, and on top of that there are 3 major services you can participate with me. We're going to find out more. Now right here on the left side we've got all those results that are pointed down since September 2017, and you can take a look at the representation per month, total trades, average trades per day, average profit per trade percentage, and then the total profit and loss generated for that month. Overall, we were able to make huge profits. As for example, if you have a budget of $50,000 and you're able to make in that month 126% like you made in the last month, April 2020, That means you're gonna get 126 on your portfolio out of the 50 grand. That's probably you're gonna reach up to 110 grand or so, right? So basically, making money via trading is definitely possible as long as you have a very clear strategy on the way you're trading, where all the tradings that you're applying on the market needs to have at least 80% probability of winning. If you are prepared from mentally and psychological perspective, you can do this. And then if you have the experience necessarily, so the three major steps to get into the successful area, guys. I've been trading since 2014 crypto, and before this I done 1 year stock market. But here we're talking about a different thing. So this statistics and results that I'm presenting you on the left side are including day trading, swing trading, and position trading at all risk levels, which means that this is my entire trading business in September 2017 on the results right there. Now, as per other services and things that you could consider and you would like to participate, we have three of them. Copy My Trades, full trading activity done for you, and the private one-on-one coaching program. So I'm going to explain each of this right now and decide if you guys want to go towards and find out more details and participate with me in my journey. Feel free to do that. You're welcome. So we've got Copy My Trades for service, where pretty much I'm offering swing trading signals to your email or Telegram, delivered with entry and exit prices very, very clearly sent at the time they're appearing. These swing trading signals are always having a price range in between you can act. So it's not like the day trading where you need to act exactly in that second. That's why it is not possible to have day trading signals delivered, because users need to act in that second. And it's no time for me to deliver to tens and hundreds of people, as well as my customers might not be prepared to react exactly on that second. So the entire process of day trading signals is becoming non-efficient. What we can do here is swing trading, and that's exactly what we're doing. They are giving you the ability to trade and open your position by having multiple hours at your position, sort of way, at your timing, at your room of timing, I would say. So for example, you need to enter between 9,000 and 9,300 price per BTC. There is that $300 price range, which gives you room to act even within the next 2 or 3 hours or 4 hours. It's not really that urgent, just like the day trading. Usually we have between 10 and 20 trades per month going into this section of swing trading, giving you the ability to trade without any special trading knowledge, just acting within the mentioned price of entry and exit range. That's what you have to do. On top of this, you receive the coefficient number for every single trade, which is a calculation of risk and reward representation between 0 and 5. The closer it gets to 5, the higher you should put as per amount of money from your budget. That's how these trades are working. Only swing trade, attention. This is no day trading, this is no position trading. This is only swing trades. Full trading activity, which is the second service done for you. In this service, I'm offering a full trading experience with all the three types of trades: day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Basically, I manage your account and I do the complete trading work, just like I do on mine. This is a full copy paste of my business into yours from all levels, including budget management. So basically, every single thing that I do within my business as per trading, I do it with yours as well. This is the full trading activity done for you. Copy My Trades is totally different. The full trading activity done for you is already at the highest level possible from the trading experience that I can offer. Number 3, private one-on-one coaching program. And this is the most interesting, which is having the highest demand, because people want to learn how to trade by themselves and they would like to reach financial freedom. They would like to reach security by making money online, and of course have the trader lifestyle, which is allowing you to take holidays, to take days off, to make money only once or twice a week and then pretty much do other things with your life, anything that you enjoy and you prefer. Trading is an activity that in some way and in some places it is represented a 16 hours work activity, which isn't like that in all the cases. Only if you want to do that type of trading. But there's so many ways you can go around it, guys. So it's not necessarily to do that kind of trading. That's a decision by those guys to sit 16 hours a day and trade. We're not talking about those. I'm not doing that. I wouldn't enjoy working 16 hours a day. And what's the purpose to do that if you have rewards that you can't really take advantage of? You're making money, but you can't really exchange those money into services and security and comfort if you don't have free time. So obviously, I'm not after that at all. Now here, I'm going to teach you how to trade from A to Z, starting from the most important mental and psychology aspects until the ultimate and advanced trading strategies involving structures and patterns. Every single thing you're going to do is going to be backed up by data. It's just because that's what the market told you to do. You will understand the language of the charts. You will be able to trade based on data. You will be prepared, mentally speaking, to handle every single difficulties of the trader, which I would say for a person that trades, technical analysis and understanding the language of the market is about 30%, and 70% is the person and the brain itself, which we have to work quite a lot on. And that is, something that I do want to point out. Between 4 to 6 weeks of hard work, because it's one-on-one directly with me on Skype calls, covering the needed 3 stages: psychology, technical analysis, and nav trading. Where for this one, you can find out more information. I have a long video talking about it on scrambocoaching.com. You have more info right there. You have the URL. This is the website, guys. Make sure you watch the video first. Scroll down for other details and informations. And then if you're prepared to join the coaching and get in a free conversation with me on Skype, make sure to register now. And I'll get back to you on your email with the pricings and everything. If we all agree on that, we can go towards the, and get started by teaching you how to trade. So option number 3 is exactly the private coaching is based on the saying, give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. That's the story about. With the copy my trades and full trading activity, I'm kind of giving you a fish, but I'm not teaching you to fish. While the coaching is actually teaching you to fish, and you can beat yourself for a lifetime. Simple. Now, how do you get started? How you can find out more details? Well, for coaching, you have scrambocoaching.com. You complete the form and you get a free conversation with me on Skype of 15 minutes where I can, discuss and tell you more things. And then for trades and anything else, you want a custom option, you want to do this, you have plans, you have anything on your mind, you can contact me at scrambo@protonmail.com. That's the email mentioned right there where we can get in touch, guys. So that's pretty much all about this video presentation. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, keep in touch because I'm going to put out more videos like this. Hopefully this, type of services that I'm trying to offer to my community out here is helping them to reach financial freedom, security, stability, and a better life. That's my purpose right here with you guys. And that's pretty much all I can do right now. So thank you so much. Have a great day down the way, and we'll talk to you soon.